Hey, Jim Padilla here. Thank you so much for being just a loyal follower, someone who hangs around, takes action, opens emails, opens messages, and is serious about growing your business. Cyndi and I, we're super passionate about helping you win, especially in the game of sales. We know that sales is the lifeblood of any business, and when you can convert at will, you're in control of your future. And we want to make sure that you come through this crisis or any crisis on the top side. We want to help you become recession proof, crisis proof. And by showing up the right way to have the right conversations with the right people at the right time about the right things. That's how sales happen. And we are just all in. We're putting our resources every day. We're putting our resources consistently in our Facebook group, video trainings, templates, tools, anything that we have that's working, or even just as importantly, what's not working, making sure that you're in the know based on all of the campaigns. We run 25,000 sales conversations a year as a company across all our different campaigns that we serve for our clients. So just all that really means to you is we see everything that's working and everything that isn't. And we just want to share all that with you. So if you click below here, it's going to take you to a quick tool. Just drop in your cell phone number, your name, and this is our VIP list. There's more stuff that goes out via text than goes out via email. And also, if you get it in your text, you can open it and check it right then instead of waiting till you get back to your desk, right? We just want to be able to serve you as quickly and as effectively, strategically as humanly possible. So jump in here, give us your cell phone number, and we'll be able to distribute things to you that some of it may also come via email, but a lot of it won't. And this is just making sure that you get the quickest path to finding out what's going on here, what resources we're having, what trainings are going on, when we're going live, and all of that so that you stay at the top of the list and you stay at the front of the curve to be able to make the pivots and changes, stay relevant to your marketplace. We do everything we can to help you close more sales in any environment. Right? Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.